Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your driving experience while protecting your vehicle's interior, the luxury PU leather car seat covers full set. We found this fantastic product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The luxury PU leather car seat covers are designed to cater to a variety of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and even pickup trucks. With a sleek and modern diamond pattern design, these seat covers not only enhance the aesthetics of your car's interior but also serve a crucial purpose, protecting your seats from water, stains, and those pesky pet scratches. One of the standout features of these seat covers is their luxury design. The lightweight material and elegant lines provide a sophisticated touch that can transform any car interior. They're crafted from high-quality PU leather that is both durable and easy to clean. Whether you're dealing with a spilled drink or muddy paw prints, these covers are designed to keep your seats looking pristine. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to driving. That's why these seat covers are engineered with airbag compatibility in mind. They won't interfere with the proper functioning of your vehicle's airbags, ensuring that you and your passengers remain safe while on the road. Additionally, the design doesn't obstruct seatbelt buckles, allowing for a seamless and secure driving experience. Now, let's discuss installation. If you're worried about setting these up, you'll be relieved to know that the installation process is straightforward and hassle-free. It should only take about 25 minutes to install the full set. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a first-time user, the step-by-step guide and helpful video make it easy to follow along. And if you run into any questions, there's a dedicated customer service team ready to assist you. Another remarkable aspect of these seat covers is the separate design for the rear bench seat. The split rear seat cover accommodates different seat configurations, making it versatile for various vehicles. Plus, it features a convenient zipper unlocking mechanism for the center armrest, allowing you to access that space without removing the cover. It's designed to fit both 40/60 and 60/40 split bench seats, so you have flexibility in how you use your vehicle. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who frequently travels with kids or pets, these seat covers are a lifesaver. They provide an excellent barrier against spills and scratches, ensuring that your car stays in good condition for years to come. Additionally, if you often find yourself driving in varying weather conditions, the waterproof feature is essential for keeping your seats dry and clean. In practical use cases, imagine those family road trips where snacks and drinks are a must. You can relax knowing that cleanup is a breeze with these covers in place. Or, if you're a pet owner, you'll appreciate how these covers protect your seats from fur and claw marks, allowing for a more comfortable ride for both you and your furry friends. In summary, the luxury PU leather car seat covers full set combine style, safety, and practicality. With their elegant design, easy installation, and universal fit, they're a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience while protecting their vehicle's interior. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.